Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I love this vacuum. This is from Brigii. It's a battery-powered, cordless vacuum for cleaning up little messes around the house. I have a dog, and we're gonna show you some footage of me cleaning up some just dog hair, because she sheds everywhere. There's some really cool aspects to this, including the 2-in-1 tool, which you can adjust for up close, or for brushing, which I use a lot. I love using this maybe on lampshades, on knickknacks and stuff, because it's soft. You've got the Crevice Tool, of course, for getting deep down into those crevices like couches and car seats. And then, of course, you've got this little guy, which is fantastic for dog hair. I love it, and bigger surfaces. In fact, you can probably see a little bit of dog hair on it. On top of all that, Brigii gives you a docking station to keep all of your accessories and everything ready to go. And stick around, we're gonna tell you about that. But overall, Brigii does a great job giving you a high-powered vacuum, has 2 different settings, and a whole bunch of suction that lasts a long period of time. I've been using it, I'm still in the 90% range, and that's fantastic. So, Brigii's been around for quite a while. They're an extremely proficient company when it comes to electronics, and they use only the top quality lithium-ion batteries around. On top of all that, this is a USB-C to USB-A charging device, so you never have to worry about picking up replaceable batteries. All right, so Brigii, 98,000 RPM motor, really fantastic, high speed, and this thing is going to do a great job of cleaning up shelves. You can get it to get your chandeliers, you can get it to clean up just about anything, and it's only by the great minds at Brigii. A good sized dustbin with a heck of a filter, look at this, to make sure, and I apologize, there's gonna be some hair on it because I have been using this. This is true, tried and true and tested, but a great filter, replaceable filter that is going to make a real difference in cleaning up your world. I like that it has a good sized dustbin. That's going to make it to where you don't have to change it as often, and that just makes your life easier as well. And it is easy to empty. So if you're looking for a great cordless vacuum, Brigii is doing it every single time. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that I own and I love, and guess what? I absolutely own it, and I absolutely love it, and you will too. Don't take my word for it. Go ahead and pick it up for yourself, and stick around for the up-close portion of this video. All right, folks, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at the video. The product itself, really fantastic. Brigii, designed by Brigii, and this is the high-speed vacuum. It's the H5. You can hear the vacuuming power. 98,000 RPM, high-speed digital motor. 18 kPa, which is a good suction there. And really a fantastic device. So you can see kind of have the docking station, if you will. You can put it in accordingly, and that's super nice too. So what else do we have here? Well, you have a couple different heads to use. We've got this brushing tool, and if you want to get up close with something, you switch over to that. USB-C charging is USB-A to C, so anything that charges your phone should work there. And then, of course, that is the Crevice Tool right there for getting in between those seat cushions and things of the sort. Now, I do love that this actually has the brushing mechanism on it, where you get in close with your stuff, and just a nice product that's going to do very well with pet hair. Retractable right there, brush, and that little screen right there is going to really pick up the dirt and debris. So, let's see, you do have an instruction manual by Brigii. Oop, there we go. If there's something wrong, contact them. And the user manual, of course, in easy to read English. That is nice. They even put some high definition diagrams in there for you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So yeah, Brigii making a great vacuum cleaner once again. Let me move this to the side so you can see this itself. It says Brigii's high-speed H5 vacuum, 98,000 RPM, high-speed digital motor, 60 AW, 18 kPa, handheld. Then on the side, you can see everything that comes inside, the base, the Type-C, the multi-surface tool, the 2-in-1 tool, the crevice tool, and the machine body, and just a nice picture of your Brigii. All right, folks, I like that as the LED digital display showing the percentage of battery that's left, the eco and turbo modes, the type C, and it is, of course, cordless. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we own and we love, and guess what? This is among the best of the best. It's the cat's meow. It is indeed the bee's knees. All right, there's the little filter guy, just so you can see it. And there's your big dust bin as well. All right, thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick it up. Don't take my word for it. Get it for yourself. You will not be disappointed. Adios, amigos.